This is a segment sponsored by aNu Aesthetics and Optimal Wellness. When women take charge, the possibilities are endless.
That's right. This woman-led business is taking charge this weekend in the fight against breast cancer.
Okay, so aNu Aesthetics and Optimal Wellness, we've been open for about 10 years now, and we've been open in the Northland for those full 10 years, and then the last 2 years we've been open in the River Market location. And we do the full spectrum of aesthetics, anywhere from body contouring to, of course, Botox and fillers, to lasers, halo, you name it. And then on the wellness side, I'm board certified in functional medicine and family medicine. So we do alternative medicine therapies, we have infrared sauna, IV therapy, we do exosomes and stem cells and PRP. So we really are the full spectrum of wellness and health and beauty on the inside and the outside. You know, aesthetics has always been in my passion. I actually didn't know when I was going into my residency if I wanted to do OBGYN women's health or dermatology or plastic surgery. And really what I decided to do was family medicine because it incorporated all of that. So right out of residency, about a year after I opened the aesthetic side, and I had no idea 10 years ago that this is what it would be, right? We started with 3 services and that's it, and now we have 200 and some services. And then I actually had some illnesses that I was struggling with that are pretty obscure and some autoimmune things. At the time I didn't know what it was, right after my twins were born 6 years ago, and that's when I started to add the functional medicine and the wellness side to figure out what was going on with me. And then I just really saw that need in the community of traditional medicine just not fitting for everybody when we have some things going on that nobody can diagnose. What patients say is it is life-changing because especially as females, we really care about the way we look on the outside. Whether we say we do or not, it's how we bring our confidence, it's how we project, it's how we come into a room, and it makes us feel good on the inside, right? And then the way we feel on the inside also projects on the outside. Do we have fatigue? Do we feel like we're overweight? Do we have the energy that we want? And those things really affect how we're moms and daughters and sisters and workers and bosses. And so I think that you really need both, especially in the female arena. Don't get me wrong, we see a lot of men now too, and I think that's true, but there's definitely this niche for women for the inside and the outside, and I think that that is something we provide. This will be our 3rd annual Breast Cancer Wellness Retreat, and that's a 1-day retreat here in the office at our North location. And what we'll be doing is there'll be several of us speaking and doing some services, which is awesome. I'll be speaking on some alternative treatment options for breast cancer, whether you're an active breast cancer patient or you're a recovering or a remission patient. And Dr. Alicia Johnson will be here. She's a naturopath physician that I've been working with for several years, and she's going to do, it's kind of a secret, but it might be yoga or yoga puncture or a talk. We don't really know yet. And then Alex will be here from Villalobos Vitality, and you'll be talking to her, I think, and she's a Reiki master, and she'll be doing some kind of cacao ceremony where it brings us all together and unifies us. And then they get to pick from 2 services that we offer here, whether it be a facial, LED, sauna, a turbo shot. So again, doing something on the aesthetic side and the wellness side. And then we'll also have a healthy lunch and breakfast. So it's really all about community and well-being and how can they have these alternative resources that can help them with energy and mood and sleep, and then of course, you know, supplements that help them through this journey that traditional medicine just doesn't talk about. But we have it on our website at www.anuaesthetics.com so that you can go online and join, and it's reserved up to 10 people and we're almost full. So please go online and book, and if we have to squeeze a little bit extra, we could probably make that work.
The 3rd annual retreat for breast cancer survivors and fighters is this Saturday from 9 to 3 p.m.
Visit thislittlelight.com/event to register. Registration is only $35.
Coming up,